So recently I had another question on one of my videos that I'm going to answer right here. And the question was, do I need fat to stay in ketosis? And number one, in the very beginning part of when you're starting keto, you're going to adapt from sugar burning to fat burning. And if your fat, your dietary fat is too low, you're going to have a real rough time because you're going to be hungry all the time. It's the dietary fat in the meal that makes you satisfied, that allows you to fast longer. We have a reduced amount of insulin, and we have less insulin resistance, and it makes it easier to get into ketosis without being so hungry. So definitely in the beginning part. And then there's a situation where you don't want to lose any more weight. That's myself. I weigh 180 right now, and that's where I want to stay. If I don't do enough fat, I'll keep losing weight. When you achieve your weight loss goal and you don't want to lose any more weight, you have to add more fat. Now this one is involving getting enough fat-soluble vitamins in your diet. Vitamin A, D, E, K. Okay, so, and also the essential fatty acids like DHA, EPA, and there's actually other ones as well. If you're not doing the right types of fats, you can become deficient. So obviously we want to avoid that and prevent that by getting enough fat. So for example, if you're eating fish, there's a good amount of fat in herring, in salmon, and halibut, but whitefish is very low in fat. So in salmon, you have a lot more omega-3 fatty acids as compared to whitefish. So really it depends on the ratio of protein to fat. So with keto, you really want to focus on getting enough fat with that protein, because you never want to do low-fat proteins on a ketogenic diet, especially low-fat, high-protein type foods. Soy protein isolates, terrible on the liver, terrible on the kidney. However, what makes someone get into keto is not the fat, it's the lowering of the carbohydrates. When you lower the carbs, your body is forced to get ketones from either your diet or your own fat. To answer this question, it depends.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.